This here is the Bora Centipede. It is an ultra-portable workbench, compact in size, lightweight and easy to carry, and can withstand over 6,000 pounds. Dimensions for this particular setup is 4x8, which is their top of the line, and I purchased it with accessories. Now this is an investment, and I gotta tell you, social media made me buy it. I continue to receive posts and notifications of this particular system, and I finally had a justification to get it and how I was going to use it. The idea behind making this investment is so I can have my flattening milling station for woodpeckers on top of here, and it can be all portable. Yes, I don't have a lot of space. I can set it up in my living room, but it was to see how it worked, how it looked, and what all the buzz was about. And here's just an example with a bunch of different boards on top of it. Absolutely incredible.